Igongona-inĩ rĩa kugira ũhoro, Michelle Kemboi, mwarĩ wa abitha mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa icukĩro rĩa meri rĩa Mombatha William Ruto mwena wa Mang'u gĩcigo-inĩ mbunge kĩa Rongai Naikuru, nĩkuo atongoria aya moroteire mũng'ethanĩro nĩ kwagĩra kĩene wabici ya president na kũmwaũra nguo mbere ya mũingĩ.
Even though the president allowed all those people to speak, I think they were out of tune, they were disrespectful, not to William Ruto as a person, but to the office of the president as the office of the president. And I'm saying this with respect because midway tulikosana na President Uhuru Kenyatta last term. Myself, Susan, and all of us, there is nowhere we went for a function in the presence of President Uhuru Kenyatta and talked to him the way the Senator of Nyandarua did and some other leaders. There was no day.
I think we need to agree that the institution of the presidency is not about a party or an individual, is a symbol of unity for all of us.
Atongoria ya merekereire ũhoro ũyũ na thengia wa family kũria ũteti ndũkahũrwo mathiko-inĩ maya, ndeto ĩrĩa yonekanire kũraraka mũingĩ.
Ndugu viongozi, asanteni kwa kuja. Wengi kidogo walikuwa nalalamika, unajua sisi wanasiasa wakipata hii microphone, kamera, wananchi wanapenda. Lakini kwa bahati mbaya kuna mmoja wetu wiki hii alipata microphone na watu kwa mazishi kama hii, aliharibu vibaya sana. Sasa nyinyi mnagharamia hasara ya mtu mmoja. Poleni sana. Huyo rafiki yetu wa zamani ametuharibia sana.
Kũringana na minister Kenya Njui na Kipchumba Murkomen marauga ngũrani cia ũteti na ũtongoria itibatie gũcakithania mũingĩ bũrũri-inĩ.
The office of the president is an office that unites everybody in Kenya. It should not be defiled the way we saw the other day, and that is extremely unfortunate.
This generation is looking up to us. When our leaders stand up and tell the president, Sikuogopi, expect them to go and tell their teacher that. Expect our sons to stand up to their father and say, where daddy, Sikuogo?
Maroria Kenya mahĩmbĩrie ũrũmwe na thayũ matekũgayũkanio na mĩthingi ya kĩndũrĩrĩ mwerekera-inĩ wa ithurano cia mwaka ũkĩte.
Captain anaweza kufika Mombasa, sisi tunamtambua kama mtu wa Mombasa, tunamtambua kama mpwani. Licha ya kabila yake sio indigenous from the coastal area. Mambo ya ukabila Kenya, and I'm glad that it is us who are showing the way. Captain ametuonesha uungwana, tunaregesha uungwana, watu kuweza kuishi pamoja na kufanya pamoja.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma itũra-inĩ rĩa Mang'u, Rongai, kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Robert Wamaina.